going to talk about, this is my first video vlog. I am heading to the airport in a few minutes. First time I've been home in Ireland for about 3.5 years. Obviously looking at the news and seeing what's happening over there, a little bit sort of a trepidation on what am I going to see. You know, it's 3.5 years, has much changed. Is it as really bad as what people are saying and what the news, or is the news hyping it up? So I'm going to do some videos, so hopefully I get a little bit better as I go along. I'm really excited about seeing my family and my friends and everyone over there, and also just doing some business as well, which is a bit of a bonus, so that I could see what people are doing regarding social media in Ireland. Are they doing things differently? Are they using things that we don't know about? So yeah, I hope to see you soon. Bye!